In today's video, I'll show you how to import a YouTube video into Descript so you can edit, transcribe, or reuse it in your projects. Start by opening YouTube in your web browser. Find the video you want to import, then copy its URL from the address bar. Next, open the Descript app on your computer. You can either open an existing project or create a new one from the dashboard. Inside your project, go to the Files section. Click the option to add a new file. Then choose the option to import from a URL. Paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into the field provided. After pasting the link, confirm the import. Descript will begin fetching the video from YouTube. This may take a few moments depending on the length of the video. Once the import is complete, the video will appear inside your project. From here, you can transcribe the audio, edit the video, cut clips, or combine it with other content in Descript. That's it. You've successfully imported a YouTube video into Descript and can now use it for editing, transcription, or creative projects. Thanks for watching and happy editing.